A bigger disc rotor generates better braking control on the wheel. Today I'm going to replace the rear disc brake rotor from 160mm to 180mm and then take it out for a ride. Let's get ready with the disc rotor and adapter. Take out the axle, remove the wheel and change the disc rotor. Replace the disc brake adapter to fit the 180mm disc rotor. The disc brake converter adds a mounting bracket to the frame to accept disc brake caliper. How does the disc brake converter hold up? We will find it out shortly. Put back the wheel and then adjust it. Make sure the cable is snug and there's no brake rub. Now it's time to take it out for a ride to see how the converter holds up. I'll be using the rear brake only. Is the disc brake mount reliable? How is it holding up after the ride? The wheel spins freely, and I'm confident that it will hold up strongly. Unless it gets hit by something. Otherwise, it will last for a long period of time. So what's next for this bike? Hydraulic disc brakes, perhaps?